The Indian Knowledge Systems (IKS) division of the Ministry of Education at AICTE, New Delhi, is delighted to announce theme-based competitions for Vrushabhotsavam. These competitions aim to foster awareness and appreciation of diverse aspects of our rich Bharatiya heritage. Farmers, students, and all interested individuals are invited to capture and showcase local traditions and practices through multimedia content, such as photos and short videos, along with explanatory texts that delve into their history, significance, applications, and benefits. We strongly encourage young participants to collaborate with their elders, fostering a sense of pride in our sustainable legacies and promoting the welfare of all. These young IKS ambassadors will inspire the world to explore the beautiful diversity of Bharatiya culture. Vrishendrasya Vrisha Divo Vrisha Prithivayam. Vrisha Vishwasya Bhutasya Tvameka Vrishabhav. Atharva Veda 6:86.1 Indian breed bull is the chief Vyazan of Indra, chief of heaven, chief of earth is this man, chief of all existence, do you be sole chief. This annual celebration dedicated to honor the bull and its immense contribution to agriculture in our society at large, in our culture, is mentioned in the book Rishi Parashara and has been gaining importance in the country today. Citizens, especially farmers, across the nation are enthusiastic to participate in this unique Bharatiya Utsava this year also. Raise awareness about our indigenous bulls, cherished symbols of national pride, and advocate for their protection. Empower farmers by preserving traditional practices, honoring their vital role in rural development. Reconnect citizens with their cultural roots, acknowledging the bull's central role in our agrarian society's well-being. Sadly, in some villages, the VR Sabha count has dwindled to zero due to increased tractor use. Vrushabhotsavam aims to spotlight the bull's importance, fostering national and international awareness while promoting sustainable farming. Join us and create slogans that celebrate the Indian agricultural tradition, significance, and cultural heritage of VR Sabha in Bharatiya lifestyle. The theme, Vrushabhotsavam. The main objectives of the slogan writing competition are to 1.